Today, I want to share one of the very exciting project that I have done for Figma Makeathon. I built a FigmaCrews multi-AI agent studio inside the Figma with Figma Make and MCP connected. So let's give it a tour first. Then I will tell you how you can actually connect to that and try yourself. Here is how it works. 6 agents: researcher, marketer, manager, designer, Figma Designer, Q&A. I give one command to the manager here, and manager handles everything. Here you can see the chat history. We have skills, we have workflow here. You can see how the workflow is, and in training you can give it a system prompt. Okay, I just place the command here and boom, they started working. Also we have here a task manager. In the task manager, manager will create individual tasks for individual agents, and the manager will assign. As you can see, the manager already assigned multiple tasks. Most of our designer leaves Figma constantly to do research, writing copies or computer research, then back to design again. What if Figma had a built-in team for that? It's my proposal to Figma: build a working prototype in Figma Make with MCP connected. The idea is simple. Figma should have a native multi-agent AI, a full team living inside the canvas. As you can see, my agents are already working on that. In progress, designer is designing. Here is our full project is done in Figma. Let's see. So it's built pretty solid with auto layout. As you can see, if we customize the skill panel more, the result will be more prominent. So that's how it's working actually. Give it a thumbs up if you like that, and show your support if you really want that in built-in Figma. I will say to Figma that please build that inside the Figma, so that as a designer in one apps we can do multiple things. Thanks for watching. Show your support. See you again.